welcome to the deep dive. Today, let's get right into something essential for your home, the boiler, keeping things warm and safe.
Yep. And we're focusing specifically on West Vancouver today, using info from local pros like the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical. Their website gives some good insights.
Right, so our goal here is simple. Show you why looking after your boiler, especially with local experts in West Van, is just smart. Saves you cash, keeps you comfy.
Exactly. And while these services cover places like Vancouver, North Van, Richmond too, we're really zooming in on that West Vancouver experience today.
Okay, let's break down boiler services. What are we actually talking about? The sources say it's basically three things, right?
Yeah, pretty much. You've got putting new ones in installation, then there's checking them regularly, maintenance, and fixing them when they act up repair.
Installation. This sounds like a big job.
It can be, especially if you're upgrading. The website mentions things like Navian tankless heaters,
Fancy
names, but basically it means getting newer tech that's more efficient, gives you hot water faster, maybe saves some space.
Okay, efficiency.
Yeah.
That brings us to maintenance. Is paying for regular checkups, really worth it?
Oh, absolutely. Think about it like this. Maintenance helps your boiler work better, like way better. We're talking potentially lower energy bills each month because it's not working so hard.
Lower bills are good. How much lower are we talking?
Well, the sources suggest a tune-up can boost efficiency, maybe shave off, 10% or more from your heating costs. Plus, it makes the boiler itself last longer.
Right, the lifespan. What's typical?
Usually 10 to 15 years for a boiler. Regular maintenance, that's how you push it towards that 15-year mark, maybe even longer, avoids a huge replacement bill too soon.
Makes sense. And then there's safety. The info mentions Technical Safety BC. What's that about for homeowners?
That's basically the safety standards group. So maintenance checks make sure all the safety bits inside the boiler are working right. Things like preventing carbon monoxide issues.
Okay, so it's partly rules, but mostly just being safe.
Exactly. It's peace of mind, knowing it's not just working, but working safely. That's huge. And why using licensed techs from the area matters.
Gotcha. Now, thinking about homes in West Vancouver, what kinds of boilers do people usually have, and what goes wrong?
You see the standard stuff, gas, electric, oil sometimes, though less common now. And combi boilers are pretty popular too.
Combi? What's that?
It just means combination. It does your heating and your hot water from one unit. Great for saving space.
And the problems. What should you look out for, no matter the type?
The big two warning signs are usually leaks like actual water pooling around the unit. Never good.
Right, pebbles are bad.
Definitely. And the other is pressure acting weird. The gauge might be jumping around, or maybe your radiators aren't heating up properly.
What does that pressure fluctuation really mean for the system? Is it serious?
It can be. It means something's off balance. Could be a small fix, could be a sign of something bigger. Catching it early stops it from becoming, a major headache and expense.
Which is why having help nearby is important.
Yeah, exactly. That's why good local providers, like the one whose site we looked at, offer licensed techs and 24/7 emergency service. Because boilers don't break down on a convenient schedule.
Right, you need someone who can come out fast if things go really wrong. They list a number, 604-652-9468, for that reason.
That round-the-clock availability is key.
Okay, so if we boil it all down, pun intended.
Nice.
The main takeaway seems to be regular, local, professional boiler care is kind of essential for safety, for saving money, and just making sure it lasts.
Couldn't say it better. It really covers all those bases.
So thinking about keeping things running smoothly, here's a thought for you listening. What's one super simple thing you can check on your heating system today?
Yeah, like even just taking a quick look. Maybe check the pressure gauge if you know where it is, or listen for any strange noises like banging or whistling.
Exactly, just a small peek or listen. It might just help you catch a little issue before it becomes a big cold problem down the road.
Good maintenance often starts with just paying a little attention.